Hi, another day, another surgery. So, our case for today, we have two cases of Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. No, yung first case is a case of a 69-year-old female, no? 69 medyo oldies na pero gusto niya pa ring paayos yung kanyang nose, no? Gusto niya yung natural as possible, yung hindi mataas na masyado yung tip, no? Kasi syempre, may edad na, gusto niya lang gumanda siya. No, she's a balikbayan. No, she's I think a nurse in the States. So nag-retire na. Is doing it for herself, no? So the second case is a 27-year-old female, also Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. Ito gusto niya medyo katulad ng ginawa natin last time, no? Yung B-tip, Barreto tip, no? Hindi Vasquez tip. B-tip. So, ganun din po yung gagawin natin. We'll get the cartilage from the ear. We do tip-plasty, then we put the Gore-Tex, no? So, yun po. Those are our cases for today. Dalawa pong Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So, ang ating pong outfit ngayon ay pang DPWH, no? Mga buhaya. Joke lang po. Ang problema, hindi po ito nalulunod sa baha. No? Nakakasurvive sa baha. So, hindi, joke lang po yun. Ha? Hindi naman po lahat ng nandyan sa ating gobyerno ay ganyan. No? Well, sana po mabago na at umunlad naman po yung ating bayan. No? Sabi nga nila, ang yaman sana ng ating bansa. No? So, that's it. Another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. So, this is a Philip Stein Mickey Mouse. This is made especially for the Philippines, no? Pang Pilipinas lang po. Kasi si Mickey Mouse, nakasuot ng barong. No? I think this is one of the collectibles of the Philip Stein. Pang Pilipinas lang po. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery. Hi, we're done with the Gore-Tex rhinoplasty of our 69-year-old patient, no? So she wants a natural looking nose lang, no? Gusto niya lang ma-augment, no? So we did the V-tip, no? Not the Barreto, no? Yung Barreto pang bata. So the V pang bata rin and all ages. Yan. So this is the V-tip. I placed the cartilage there. Then 5 mm lang yung kanyang Gore-Tex, no, para hindi masyadong mataas. Yung kanyang nostrils po almond shape na, nakaganyan na. No? So that's it. See her after 6 days. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with the second case. This is a case of a 27-year-old young patient, young female. Kanina, 69. No? So, ang gusto niya is medyo, pambata, medyo projected ang tip. So, I did a V-tip, hindi B, hindi Barreto. Vasquez tip. Then yung transition from the nasofrontal, ang ganda, no? Hindi avatar. No? Then we have the supta tip break. Dapat mababa muna, then tsaka pa lang tataas for the tip. Then, syempre, we did a tip-plasty. Hindi na po ako nag-alar trimming, no? Kasi masyado nang liliit yung butas. Ang ganda na ng butas ng ilong niya, almond na. Ganyan. Ipapakita po natin yan, the almond-shaped nostrils. So, that's it. I will see her after 6 days. See you another day, another surgery.